Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of stomach ulcer. Okay, now stomach ulcer can be very disturbing, and it will actually make you not eat what you want to eat. Now this natural home remedy would help you so much. Do not neglect it, because I know you guys are fond of giving like some funny comment and stuff. It is natural, it's not going to kill you, but it is just going to help you to remove all of those, ulcer. Heal it, heal your stomach lining, your stomach wall, and you're gonna be free to eat whatever you want to eat. Okay, so one of the reasons why we develop ulcer, which I was told, was that you don't eat on time and the gas tend to develop and stuff. I don't want to go into that, but I used to have ulcer me myself, and teenagers have high rates of ulcer compared to adults. Okay, so this home remedy will help you. So subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and please share. All right, let's dive into the video. You're gonna be needing unripe plantain. Okay, this is plantain. Okay, no banana, is actually staying everywhere. Don't know why, but this is unripe plantain, and I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna be doing that, which is gonna be very effective and helpful. And then you're gonna be needing apple. Okay, apple is actually very good. When it has actually fermented, it will now turn to the apple cider. But for this, it's not going to like give you that apple cider flavor, but we are going to keep it to ferment. And then you're going to be needing honey. Now honey is great for the body and also for the skin, so it's just going to do the job for you. If you want to cure stomach ulcer, this treatment is going to be helpful. So I'm going to be needing water, and what you do is to wash your plantain. It has to be unripe, guys. Okay, wash it very well with the peel. And you also wash the apple. You can wash your apple cider vinegar with salt or with apple cider vinegar itself. Okay, so after this is done, then you can cut this, okay, with the peel. Okay, cut it very slim and tiny, just like this. Okay, so this would be enough, and then you pack them into a bowl. Okay, now you should put it in an airtight container so that you can cover it up. Okay, just like this. Now the next thing is to grab your apple. Now you can actually use all of the apple, but for me, I'm going to be cutting this into half. Okay, and then you cut your apple into cubes. Now you have to put it also into the bowl. Okay, so what you do is to put in normal water, that's room temperature water. Okay, make sure it covers it. Okay, just like this. Make sure it covers everywhere. Okay, so for this, guys, for you to cure ulcer, stomach ulcer, with this, you have to keep it for like 3 days. Close it and let it ferment. It's going to ferment and the color is going to turn really white. It's not going to go bad at all. It's not going to taste bad. And after 3 days, then you put in your honey, just to make the taste something you can drink. And this honey also is going to help you, you know, in the stomach wall. Okay, the stomach lining or stomach wall, or anyone, just google it. Anyways, so this water, after it has fermented for 3 days, then you just sieve it. I'm just showing you how to do that, but mine has actually not fermented yet. You just sieve it. Okay, so the water is actually going to look whiter than this when it has actually fermented. Alrighty, this is just 1 day and it looks different. See that? Okay, so when it has fermented for 3 days, it's going to look really white and it's going to taste nice. It's not going to taste bad. I've actually taken it because, of course, for me to want to tell you guys, you know that I know it. Okay, so this is going to help you to cure ulcer. All right, and also you have to take it every morning, like take it first before you eat, and you have to eat at about at least 8:30, 9 o'clock. Don't fast. Don't take any slimming tea or any lemon. Don't take lemon. Don't take lime. Don't take anything that would actually make it make the pain at the stomach wall or lining to increase. So basically that's how you're going to do it. Drink it and you're going to be loving it. You're going to thank me later. So that's it, guys. Use that and you are going to be loving it. It's just going to heal all of your stomach ulcer like magically. Okay, if you do love this video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys. Bye.